How to transfer notes from Android to Android. Got a new Android phone? Let's transfer your notes quickly and securely. So, first and foremost, what you need to do is to check your Notes app. First, identify which app you use. It could be Google Keep, Samsung Notes, or OneNote. Each has its own sync method. So if you're using Google Keep, simply sign in with the same Google account on your new phone and Notes will sync automatically. If you're using Samsung Notes, enable sync with Samsung Cloud, log into your new device and your notes will appear instantly. Another tool you can use would be OneNote. So with Microsoft OneNote, sign in using your Microsoft account and your notebooks sync across devices automatically. If your app does not support sync, export notes as PDF or text files. Transfer them via Google Drive, email, or Bluetooth. And that's how you transfer notes from Android to Android, whether through Cloud Sync or manual export.